My skill level was pretty high because when you work for a contractor, you have your accounts receivables, your accounts payables, you have all the normal stuff that QuickBooks was designed for. But I hadn't worked in that industry for 7 years. And so I had completely forgotten what I learned in QuickBooks. So I actually took a 2 day, full day course in QuickBooks. It was, by QuickBooks. And I didn't learn a thing for my company, for my situation that I work for right now. And so I was so desperate. I didn't know what to do. And so Nikki, who's with our company, she introduced me to Candus. And so I am able to figure things out on my own if I don't know how to do something. Just because of that course that I took with Candus, it's pretty comprehensive, that confidence with QuickBooks. I mean, she's got a lot of videos and details and everything in that course. She does explain things very down to earth and simply, just her explaining things in different ways and giving you screenshots. Those screenshots are crazy incredible, helping you understand why you're doing something within QuickBooks. What you have to do is you have to get the big picture of what you want out of QuickBooks first. Then you can dwindle it down. That's what I learned from Candus, which was extremely helpful. So that's how she actually started with me. Was she said, Mary, what do you want out of QuickBooks? What is the big picture? And I said, this is exactly what I want. And she was able to figure out, what I needed in order to generate those reports. If you already have the knowledge of QuickBooks, are you getting what you need from QuickBooks? If not, I would take this course because basics will always take you to the point where you can figure things out on your own. I trust that Candus truly wants to teach us something. And she really does know QuickBooks well. And I honestly believe she loves what she does. And she truly is out there to serve people. And that's why I love working with her.